to Orlando. We had to take the red eye in because it was by far the cheapest option for getting here. Drive about 2 hours to get to our place. We're just arriving back into town into Venice after the hurricane. It's been almost a week since the hurricane, so things are pretty cleaned up. We've seen a few trees that are knocked down and some signs and things, but other than that, so far things look good. In about 10 minutes we'll get to our house and we'll see how things are there.
We have had the craziest experience this morning. We landed in Orlando at 5 a.m. Then we had to hang out for about an hour because we couldn't pick up the rental car until 7 a.m. So we went to one of the lounges so we can go get some breakfast. We also are traveling with my cat because I didn't want to leave her home alone for 10 days. I got a bagel, some horrible coffee, killed some time. Waited for the shuttle to pick us up to go to this, what would you call it,
Off-brand rental car.
Yeah, that was too good to be true. We show up there, super sketch place, and the guy starts telling us that we need to pay $15 a day to transfer our own car insurance to use it for their car. There's gonna be an additional $150.
And we got to looking at the reviews on the place, and they're horrible, and the cars are super sketch.
And they did not care. Ended up going with Enterprise and paid a little bit more, but it was so worth it because we got this nice Prius and we've been driving for 2.5 hours now. We actually just picked up a mattress, brand new in the box from, was it Tufted Needle? And we got it for half the price it would be on Amazon, so that was pretty exciting. Well, that sucks. I guess we have a few things to fix.
Bit of a mess. We do have, there's some shingles on the ground, but I don't think those are ours. Ours are brown. So I think they just blew in.
Well, we're missing a screen now.
Oh yeah. Looks like the power line is sagging pretty bad too. Looks like maybe the trees pulled it down some. I'll look in here.
Oh. Well, still not that bad.
Yeah, on the ground.
Are those yours?
I don't recognize them. I don't know what I don't know. Looks like the power lines got pulled down with some of the trees that probably got destroyed. And quite close to the fence as well.
I mean, so far, not too bad.
Could be worse.
Yeah.
I guess we should go see what's going on inside.
Yeah. Well, I think we got pretty lucky.
You haven't even seen this yet, have you? My cabinets.
No. It's beautiful. You did an amazing job. You built all of this in one day.
I mean, inside so far it looks really good. I don't think anything. Let's go look at the windows, see if the windows are okay.
Well, they're still closed. Any water?
No.
There's a...
Hello, lizard guy.
Hello, friend.
Yeah, I feel like the inside is good.
Wow, we got lucky.
inside. The windows didn't break.
We got so lucky.
I don't think there's any roof damage or anything. The roof looked okay. So, yeah. Overall, I think we did all right. We got 2 packages delivered while we were gone. And right when we show up at the house, Amazon delivery is here. So we have another package coming, and we should be able to set up the bedroom, the master bedroom. Somehow, we managed to put the bed together, even though we're excessively tired today. And now we can put the mattress on. We are very happy that there's not more damage than there is. There's a bit of cleanup to do and a few little issues outside, but really nothing too serious. We are so exhausted today. We flew all night to get here, and yeah, we're pretty toast, but we only have 10 days to finish this project, counting today, so 9 days after today. And so yeah, we really have to get going